Hi guys, mayong buntag. Good morning sa Amerika, mayong buntag sa Pilipinas. Karon guys na ako'y buhato no. Kaning akong digyo ko makamao. I don't know nothing about making cake or whatever. Unya, nangay ko sa akong bana og ingredients. My husband give me this, the ingredients. Magbuhat ko og pinisi. No? Pinisi. Bread na siya na ilubid. Kanya ang ako ang mga sangkap siya asin o kanang egg replacer and kani siya nga kani siya nga gamay nga extra nga flour, harina para ni siya unya inig ka ng mag kumot-kumot na nya 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons 4 teaspoons of yeast and 5 cups of flour na mo na siya guys. Mo ni siya. That is seated on the floor and the table.
No, when you're ready.
Okay, mo na siya guys, no, ang ako ang ingredients. Nya, ako na siyang i-mix. Tansin na ko. No? Mo na siya. Kani siya guys, no, dili mo mabalaka unsa na siya. Mao na siya kay ako maning pagtakos na ko ani ba. Ari man rin sa tungod para hindi mato sa lamisa, no. So nagtakilid di ako. Nagtakilid ko. Magsugod na ta og mixing. Need assistant. Mura sad og kamao ko guys ba. Mura sad og I know what I'm doing. I see ya. Hey, what is that? Oh, pilit lagi. Pilit kayo og itlog nga replacer. Wala sa listahanan. It's not there in the list when I'm gonna put it in the oven. We're not want it. Okay. Now, initon ang kuan. We warm the oven, right? Karon guys, atong butangan og hot water. Init-init na tubig, no? 2 cups of hot water. Warm water, na hot. 2 cups of warm water. Too dry. Kuwang pa dahil guys. So, add a little bit. I need to get the oil in the store. Ito na pa. Now we put the cover, atong tabunan. Og atong ibutang sa oven, painiton pa tubuon ang flour. Pila ka minuto? 45. Right? Karon guys, 45 minutos na. Ako nang tangtangon sa oven. We'll see what it looks like. Okay. See it? I'll put this on. Tara! Ni-grow guys no. Okay? Na magsugod na ta. It's wet. What'd you do?
The butter won't come out. Can I help, Mom?
different. Hmm? They're gonna grow, right? Like that. Alright, put it there. Oh, that's on? Like, I smash it. Over here. I should not smash it, huh?
Don't smash it. Use your bottom. Roll it and then don't squeeze it.
I did not think about it. Look, they're smashed.
Yeah, it's okay. Watch the flame. I'll be in here.
Why you are there? I need you here. Yes, I need you here. I'm saying, honey, come over here. What I mean is, come here so you will understand. I don't like it. Where's the clipper? What I mean is that I'm saying that that one, if I can see it, if you are not there when you get done, I can turn it by myself. See? Like that. It's upside down.
I thought it's on though.
No, Philippine hand. It did not show it. It's showing my belly. Not here. I don't like it. Okay, that's fine. You don't listen. I think it's so high, huh? The flame. I did it wrong. Did you see those edge? Because I smashed it. Oh, see that? Who did that? Huh? Maybe so high the flame, honey.
I ordered it already twice.
Um, you think so is enough? Huh? Is that good or not?
Looks good.
Huh? Not yet?
Yeah, looks good, huh?
Good done?
Yeah, I'd say.
I don't want maybe not cook. Look at that, you can see it.
Tell them that's how you make them, huh? Yeah, tell them in Visaya or Tagalog now what you gotta do with them. That you gotta leave them in the oven and let them rise once you form.
It's underground.
That when we made beer, what's next?
This one is not growing.
It's as far as it's gonna grow.
Huh?
I'm making it all by myself because Mama helped me squeeze the bottle out. Can you help me put the peanut butter in the bag like this? That one, the other ones that Mommy didn't, I'm gonna put this in there.
Put it back.
No.
Put it back. Right here. Put it back in here.
I was just
Yun na niyan pag mo og pinisi, guys. See? I don't know how many minutes, pero basta mo brown na, mauna na siya. I think this is so high. You brown very fast.
Let me take those ones off of there. Put them so loud. Can I
Wait.
put them on here?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
This way you can have this thing back. Put the oil on. Okay?
Yeah. You think so this is cooked, huh?
Yeah, I believe so.
I think this is enough for the video, hon. It's low bat, honey.
Okay. I'll turn it off and
Yeah, turn up now.
when you get to putting the sugar on, turn it back on, okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Speak first. Good. Alright. So, mao ni siya ang humana, guys. No? Then, unya, isod na to siya sa bag. But, iparito na siya. Isod na to sa bag. I think the bag is not enough. Did the sugar gonna melt?
Yeah, it's too hot. The bag's gonna melt. You put them in there, that's too.
No? Onya, butangan na to og sukar. Ang atong sira doon. Dayon i-shake para maangay ang asukar sa lawas sa pinisi, no? That look good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Good enough, huh?
Hmm?
Good enough.
Ang hab. And then, ato ang ihabwaon.
put it back in the, to the cooler.
Oh, okay. Habuan na to, guys. There's the oil, huh?
It's okay.
The oil's gonna melt.
The oil will be fine. Now, the sugar won't let it absorb in there anyway.
That one there, this one.
How about this, please?
You got oil in there.
It's butter.
It's okay na naman. And then, atong habuan.
Gotta make sure you
Ay,
worry about it.
muna na siyang resulta. See? Muna siyang resulta. Pinisi ni. Dito ni nakatunay ni nako gikan sa kuan to. Yes, man.
If you like doing it now,
Huh?
you like the baking now.
No, I like to eat, but not cooking. I learned from you. You are very good. I don't know how you learn, how you do it, but it's not fair, you know, and I don't know. You have to learn. Maro na siya ang model. Don't break the model.
Good enough.
Enjoy.
Give me a piece.
When we get done, because too much garbage.
Mm-hmm.
There you guys. I'm done. Nahuman na kog luto, no? Mo na siya ang resulta. Sa akong pinisi, niya mo na siya walay asukar. Kaya akong anak, ganahan man siya walay asukar. Akong anak ganahan walay asukar. Mo na siya. Niya, kana siya. Nana siya ay ang kanandak ko, nana siya ay jelly. Kaning ng mga oblong na siya ay peanut. Ang uban jelly, ang uban peanut butter. Nya. Kana. With sugar. Kato, walay asukar. No? So, mahimo na kong magtindag pan, guys. Ya, kani siya clear kay ni siya ganina paglunod na ko sa katong nay oil ba nay donut, nay peanut, ay nana ang color. Na? Di na ko kinahanglan mo palit og pan, no?